Well, I'm in Caliente, Nevada, in the town of Caliente, and you are here, so that's where I am right there. And it's a very small town, and it looks like the old train station is used as a municipal building, because I see some, looks like municipal offices inside of there. And let's see what's on this side. Lincoln County trails, all kind of trails. Oh, we got a marker over here. Here's where the marker is. I'm glad I didn't miss this. We got green grass down here. The color green. My eyes haven't seen green like that in a week. Union Pacific Depot, 1923. You can, reflection on there might be hard to read here, but you can stop the vid. See if you can get it there without the reflection. Alright. The Caliente train depot, I'm only guessing because the tracks are right out here. I believe Caliente in Spanish means warm or hot. And yes, appropriate name for this part of the world here, because we're out in the desert here. So there it is. Okay, we're going to walk down here and yeah, you can see a train station. They have the city library contained here in the old train station. But here's some interesting equipment out here. Old thing from the old train days. All kind of spikes in here. You got a good spike there. You got these massive nuts and bolts. All rusty. I don't know what this guy is. Kind of little. That looks in good shape. It used to have plastic, but something. Maybe somebody's watching this vid knows what that is and can tell me here. Some of you train buffs. And this thing here, I don't know what all that has to do with all kind of train stuff. This looks like brakes, brake pads here. And then we got couple more down here. Looks like a fire hose. Yeah, from the fire department, the old fire hoses, carts for that, and a waiting bench that would be if you're waiting for the trains, probably what used to be inside. Now they have it outside. Huh, pretty good, pretty good. And this is out in front of the train depot. There's a truck going by over there, so I gotta talk loud so you can hear me. And as I turn around here, here's the other way. Tracks seem to be in good shape. A couple spikes popping up every now and then.